Mowing lawn.
I'm mowing the lawn.
You're doing great, dude.
And that is for the bubbles.
Let's see the bubbles.
See? They come out. They come out. That's there.
Maverick, go mow next to mommy.
Okay.
So that way. Sure.
Okay. Wait, Papa.
You're doing great. You gotta fill it up. Make sure you're getting it all filled up. I'm bubbling. You gotta fill up the bubble fuel. Ah! It does make noises too. What does the lawnmower say?
I don't know.
You're doing awesome! This lawn looks great, Mac. Look how good you did. You kicked some serious butt, man.
I got you. That's one more, Papa. I like my bubble mower.
Me too. He's a strong kid. He carries his lawnmower wherever the heck he's going.
After I turn it on.
He's no chump. You know, I want this mower somewhere. I'm gonna carry it there. There you go. Let's see you mow. Come on, Bubbles. You're doing awesome.
Yeah.
Let's see you mow that lawn. Put it in the grass.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Yeah, just pick that sucker up.
Yeah.
Pushing it's for sissies. You're the man. You pick up your mower. You're awesome. Don't.
On the road.
Oh no, not in the road. We stay out of the road, right?
Oh.
We don't go in the road. We can go on the sidewalk. Yeah, the grass is getting real long in that sidewalk. Go ahead and mow it. Whoa, look at those bubbles. Dude, you're awesome. Oh, leave it in there.
Yeah, we can take it out.
You're awesome, Mac.
We can do this.
Dude, you're doing great. You should have your own lawn mowing service. Don't you think? Call it Mac's Lawns.
No. What does Bubble Mower say?
Bubble mower goes.
That noise don't like that. Bubble,
Get the bubbles, clap them! Clap them!
get it.
The wasp is chasing me.
Not me.
Chasing me. I'm scared of wasps.
I'm not chasing me.
It's chasing you, dude. You got bubbles chasing you.
The wasp.
Hey,
I don't see the wasp anymore.
okay, go up by mommy. Look at mom. She's out there working. Dad's recording. This is the life right here. I'll just keep recording. Mac, you're awesome. Look at this thing.
And after the feet, we
Keep going.
can put in.
Keep going. Ready?
Hey, Dad, sometimes I get you like that.
You just hit me?
Yeah.
Well, you better run, punk. I'm gonna get you now. You better run faster. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna
No,
get you,
Dad,
sucker.
don't get me.
Why? You punched me.
I thought I won, and then you can get me. Awesome.
After you run, go.
Now.
Whoa, you're fast.
I didn't do that.
Okay, there's Mac mowing the lawn with Mom. And then I got these little punks. They're filling up the garden box. How are you little puddle hoppers doing?
Fertilizer.
Oh, this whole thing is fertilizer. Can I tell you a secret?
Cow poop.
This is all cow poop right here. Did you know that? You guys are sitting in a big thing of cow poop. That's all this is manure.
Flowers.
Did you know that?
Yeah, and we're planning on to run through the sprinklers after this.
This isn't really cow
We're
poop.
really
I'm just kidding you guys.
processed cow poop.
This isn't really cow poop.
Dirty, especially our knees.
You guys
Now you can see all the hair on me.
You guys are doing great. I'm gonna go lay in the hammock while Mom mows the lawn and you guys do the garden, okay?
Okay.
I'll be in the hammock if anyone needs me, but try not to disturb me. I'm gonna try to take a nap. Tell Mom to keep that weed whacker down. She's too loud. Just kidding.